warm welcome to you. Okay, today we are going to part 2 lessons. Okay, part 2. So in that part 2 lesson, the 15th chapter, colonialism in Latin America, Asia and Africa. Okay, colonialism in Latin America and Asia and Africa. Okay, colonialism in these all countries. Okay, see, this all happened in many years ago. Okay, so about that briefly we are going to know in this lesson. Okay, see, yeah, look at here. Expansion of Europe and early colonialism. Okay, expansion of Europe. See here, all of you have to look at the page 189. Okay, in that 189 page, you can look at here one page. See, this tick is what is showing, Europeans world map in 1400 years. Okay, Europeans world map. Okay, Europeans world map this is. Okay, when 600 years ago. Okay, see around. Okay, means in which year? 1400 years. Okay, around 600 years ago. Okay, before around in the at the time of 1400 or 600 years ago, of course. At that time, people were not traveling from one place to another place. They did not go for traveling. Only to some extent, some places only they will go for traveling by using of some animals like elephants, okay, horses, okay, and they'll use some camels and they'll use some small boats and sheep. Okay, through the waterway only they'll be go for transporting of some extents. Okay, they did not travel to the long places when at the time of 1400 year. Okay, however, the contact between people and countries began to increase as traders traveled to different countries and continents to buy exciting goods and sell them to the high prices. Then next onwards, they did not go travel to other countries before. Only if they go only very near the places by using boats and all. Okay, by using boats, ships, camels, elephants, horses, like that, right? So, however, when the people are started traveling to the other places, okay, traveling to the other countries in the form of doing trade. Okay, trade is what? Selling and buying goods. Okay, selling and buying goods to the other places. So in that goods, which goods from which place to which place they are selling, how they are selling, they choose the coastal areas places. Okay, coastal areas means you already I have told you, okay, many times, coastal areas which is having area is having a sea or ocean place. Okay, that areas, coastal areas, Vizag coastal area. Okay, like that. Understood? See, the traders began traveling from one country to another countries. They started trading. Okay, they started trading, buying some of the things in one country and they are selling into the other countries, like that. Okay, so from then which products they have started? Do you know? Here, silk and porcelain ware from China. Okay, silk and porcelain ware from China, and cotton textiles, steel and spices from India. Okay, and fruits and scents from Arabia, and wine from Europe. Okay, and some of other popular goods all over the world, like this. From some countries, whatever the more available, right? So in our country at that time, spices, cotton, okay, is more available. So that type of goods purchasing from India and they are traveling to other country, they are selling with the high prices. So in this form of earnings, the trader becomes more wealthier than kings. Okay, in this way of trading, okay, they are buying here and they are passing to the other countries and selling with a high price. Okay, so they become who? Traders. Traders become more wealthier than the kings. Okay. Indian traders and sailors from Gujarat, Konkan, Malabar and Coromandel coast traded far and wide. They traded with China, Southeast Asia and Red Sea ports and also Eastern Africa. Their sailors used the monsoon winds to cross the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Traders used sometimes monsoon winds to cross the seas, okay, to cross the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Most of the trade routes are connected. Europe and Asia around 1400 were controlled by Muslim kingdoms. Okay, around 1400 years. So at that time, their way is in between of the Muslim countries. Okay, how you know? Most of the trade routes are connected to the Europe to the Asia. Okay, trade routes connecting to the Europe to the Austria were by the many Muslim countries. Understood? Trade routes. Okay, trade routes are connected to Asia and to Europe through the Muslim kingdom, especially Ottoman Empire. One of the Muslim kingdom was Ottoman Empire. Okay, Ottoman Empire. If they want to be trade from here to here or else here to here, through by these countries only. Okay, through by these countries only. So one of the famous here Muslim country, Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire was constantly at the war with European Christian powers. The Italians has a good relationship with Arab traders who bought the Asian goods to the Alexandria in the Egypt and sold them to the Italians. Okay, Italians has a good relationship with these Arab Muslim countries and they are selling the goods from these countries to the Italian countries. Slowly, the traders and the government of Western European countries like Holland, Spain, Portugal, these all are European countries. Okay, Holland, Spain, Portugal, these all are European countries, and England released the importance of these trade. Realized. Okay, so they all become realized about this type of trade. They also wanted to find faster and easier route, okay, to countries like India and China without passing through the regions of controlled by Italian traders. Okay, see here in this way Italian traders were playing a vital role. So these European countries, some of Portugal, Spain, England, they thought, okay, they realized that about this all trading. Okay, we should not use this way through the Italians and the Muslim countries. We should go for trading to the Asian countries like India and China by using of another way. What is that another way? We have to be find. Okay, they thought like that. Okay, the Portuguese, for example, wanted to find a route around Africa to reach India. Okay, Portuguese wanted to think that around by the Africa they wanted to reach the India. Okay, if you see the world map, you can know it. Okay, the Spanish wanted to know if it was possible to reach India by crossing the Atlantic Ocean. They investigate a large amount of money by hiring experienced sea mariners and giving them ships and other resources to explore new routes. Okay, Portuguese, Spain, okay, they thought that they wants to be find a new route. Okay, Portuguese wants to be find a new route between to to be passed around the Africa to reach the India, and as well as Spain thought that by crossing of the river, by crossing of the sea, they want to be find a new route. So for that, whatever they have did, they arranged some of who are well efficient by traveling in the sea routes, okay, mariners. They have chose that persons and they have given resources for them, okay. They invested heavily on that, okay. Who Portuguese and Spain countries, they invested more on that, and they have sent it to the routes to go and find the routes, okay. So in that, one of the person is from the Spain, okay, Columbus, okay, from the Columbus, okay, Columbus find the route, and as well as Vasco da Gama also find the route. So here, these led to discovery of American continent by Christopher Columbus, okay, American continent by Christopher Columbus in the year of 1492, okay, in the year of 1492, Christopher Columbus, okay, he found the American continent, okay, and sea route was found by Vasco da Gama, okay, how around by the Africa, okay. Here Columbus was working for the Spanish queen, while Vasco da Gama was working for the Portuguese king, okay. Soon England and Dutch governments also started sending their sailors to these regions. See here, Columbus found the sea route, okay. Columbus reaches to the American countries, okay, American countries, understood. So Columbus found the route to the America, and as well as Vasco da Gama find the sea route to the India through the passing of Africa, around of the Africa. So that route he found, who? Vasco da Gama, okay. Vasco da Gama worked under the Portuguese king, okay. Columbus worked under the Spain queen, understood. Here you can have a picture, imagine the picture that I have given here, okay. Columbus and the queen and all, okay. European colonies in America, okay. See how the Europeans, Britishers were occupied our place, okay. They migrated to our place, and how it has happened, right? Same like that it was happened in the earlier in the America also, okay, earlier in the America also. See, that only we are going to know here. Columbus landed on water today known as the West Indies, the island of the coast of South Africa. Christopher Columbus invented the route map to the America, right? Route map to the America. So first, when he went to a island place, when he is trying to know the route map, first he reached an island place. So when he reached the island place, Columbus thought that he maybe reached the India, and these people are maybe Indians, okay. So he thought himself like that, and he called that all people as Indians. So that's why only to know in some of the people have called them American Indians, okay. See, he had thought he had reached India, yes, I told you, right, and called the local people as Indians. Columbus called some of local people as Indians. That is why original inhabitants of America are called native Indians today, okay. That's why even whoever lived at that time, right, when Columbus reached there, he called Indians for them, right. So even they are original Americans only, but people are called old Indians, okay. These were simple tribal people who welcomed the visitors and gave them food and shelter. However, these pioneers enslaved and plundered them. They converted them into slave laborers to grow food and mine gold. Eventually, virtually all native people on this island died and were killed. When Columbus reached a island place, right? When he is finding a route, when he is finding a sea route from the Europe to the America, he reached one island. So when Columbus reached an island, by looking of all the people, he thought maybe he reached to the India. He thought that, and he called that all people as Indians. Okay. So that's why that people had to be called like old native place of Indians. Okay. But whoever living in these people, right? They all are tribal people. Okay. Tribal people, and whoever come from other places, they are welcoming decently, and they are offering food, and they are carrying themselves. They are carrying whoever the visitors, right? Carefully they are carrying and offering food and offering shelter. Okay. So by seeing of all this, whoever the traders reached here, by seeing of all innocence of these tribal people, they have captured innocence of these tribal people, and they became slaves for them, and they started farming. Okay, without paying anything to them. Okay, they made these tribal people as into slave, and they started farming, and they did not offer food for them even. Slowly, even one by one, the people became tired. Okay, so the total, all whoever lived in this island place, total people become dead. Okay, I'll continue. Yes, here. Okay, so the total island place become vacant. So these tribal whoever traders came here, right? So they started using this place as theirs. Okay, see, and some people were killed by these traders also. One by one they started killing, and remaining they used as their slaves. Okay, see, these were simple tribal people who welcomed the visitors and gave them food and shelter. Yes, I told you, no. However, these Spaniards enslaved and plundered them. They converted them into slave laborers. Slave laborers means they did not pay anything to do the work. Okay, slave laborers to grow fruit and mine gold. Okay, in that works they used. Eventually, virtually all native people of island died and were killed. After Columbus, the Spanish government sent several expeditions to conquer America and rob it. See here, after Columbus went to that place and started robbing of that place. Yeah, of course, it's nothing but a robbing, right? After that, some Spanish government sent some of the several expeditions of people to conquer the America place and rob it. Okay, they expected to find gold and silver mines and vast quantity of these precious metals with the help of local kings. Okay, Carthage, a Spanish conqueror. Okay, conqueror means who are occupied. Okay, led an expedition to kill the people and plunder Mexico. He eventually killed the local king and put an end to the independent rule of Mexico. Similarly, another conqueror named Pizarro plundered and conquered Peru. Okay, after the Columbus, some of the Spanish country also wanted to conquer the America. Okay, so they decided, they sent some of the people to conquer the America place. Okay, so they thought that in America so many valuable sources it's available, like gold mine, okay, and silver mines, and as well as some precious metals may be available. they thought, and they started reaching to the American place, and slowly they started maintaining relations with the local kings. Okay, so after made a relationship, they were killed that local kings, and they started their ruling over there. See, like that Spanish conqueror conquered the place Mexico. Okay, and the same another one Pizarro plundered the Peru. Okay, conquered the area of Peru. Okay, the English also came to the North America. English means England people. Okay, also came to the North America and began to set up colonies in English farmers along with the eastern coast. Okay, so at this time Spanish came. Okay, Spanish people came and started in this way. At that time English people also came to the North America. Okay, English people also came to the North America. Okay, North America, and began to set up colonies in English farmers in the east side of coastal areas. Okay, they want to be set up their colonies in here. Okay, fine. The Native Americans mostly acted in friendship and extended help and cooperation to the Europeans. In England, this was the time when small peasants were being deprived of other land by the landlords. Many of these peasants migrated to the North America. So at this time, when the English people were started, wants to conquer the American place, right? So in the Europe, what had happened, you know? Who is having a small plateau of land as agriculture? The huge landlords were occupying all these landlords. Okay, so these small peasants, nothing less to do there. They thought that they want to be shifted here. They want to be conquered here this place. Okay, understood? Many of these peasants migrated to the North America, okay, and wished to settle down there. Okay, many of these people shifted here and they want to be settled down there. Okay, they forced the Native Americans to give up their land and killed them and draw them into the interior. Okay, they forced the Native Americans who did not accept, or else if anybody or refuses of any of orders of these European leaders were killed these Native Americans. Okay, killed the Native Americans and occupied the place. As the news of the natural resources available in America reached the people of Europe, a large number of land-hungry people started going to America. They drove off the native people and took over their land. See, at that time, when news began spread in the North America, so many natural resources are available. So at that time, European people have gone mad to go to the America to settle down there to dig out that all mines. Okay. Once the killing and the plunder had reduced, the Europeans wanted to settle here and exploit the natural resources of America. One by one, many Europeans came to the North America, okay, and they started settling there. Okay, the spoiling of all natural resources, and whatever they want to mines, they dragging out, drop out, and they became wealthier. Okay. However, they needed slave labor to do the work. They realized that it was difficult to enslave the Native Americans. They therefore began to transport a large number of African slaves. These were people who had been captured from interiors of Africa by Europeans, especially Portuguese traders and their agents. Okay, so when news spread at that time, in the America there are many natural resources of mines. So by this news spread, many of the English people have started conquering discovering of the America place, and they went there and they started off spoiling of all natural resources and the digging out whatever the mines are available. But to do all of this, they want the laborers, right? But the Native Americans will not become as per the slave worker here, and that is also very hard for them to be maintain these English people. So what they have done? They have brought the laborers from Asia, from Africa. Okay, that is also slave laborers. They tied their arms and legs. Okay, they have shifted through the ships to here. Okay, and they started working without paying anything. Slave. Okay, slave workers. They are imported from the Africa. So in the Africa, already Portuguese were conquered some areas. Okay, so that Portuguese country sent some of slave laborers to the America. Okay, how they have sent, if you see the pic here, of course it is an illustration, means it's an imagined pic, but they have sent it in this way. Say, if you see, this is the ship down. Okay, this is ship down. Okay, lower deck of the ship. So how they have, see, many of the slaves they arranged in this way. Okay, like a products or goods, how we are keeping very near and all, right? Okay, so they have arranged the slaves people as like in this way, lower deck of the ship, and they started sending to the America to do the work at the mining. Okay, see, these African slaves were transported to the America under very inhuman conditions. This is all we can call. It's all inhuman conditions, and sold to the large landlords and others. About 15 to 20 million African slaves. How many? 15 to 20 million African slaves. 15 to 20 million people. 20 million African slaves. Okay? African slaves were thus forcibly taken away to the America. They were made to work on what? Farming only. Which farming? Sugarcane farms, corn fields, okay, tobacco fields and cotton fields. Okay, their produce was taken away and sold in different countries including the England and France for huge profit. Okay, see here once you think English people came here, the land is Americans. Okay, whoever lived here, the English people were killed. They conquered the place here. Okay, some people who did not listen, they sent them inside of this country. Okay, so occupied the place, and as well as after occupying the place also, they want to do the farming. So that is also they want to do freely. Okay, that is also they want to do freely. So that's why they have imported some of the humans from the Africa. Okay, from the Africa they imported some human beings and they started farming here. And without paying anything to the Africans, they started farming here. After whatever they get produced from that farming, they are selling again back to the England and to the France. They'll get a huge profits. They did not spend anything on the land, anything on the labors, but they have got it. Yes or no? See, that is about European colonies in America. Okay, next I will continue the lesson of Latin America. Okay, so you all